Hello, so I wanted to share with you what I picked up in Ulta from Kylie Skincare line. Some fresh strawberries, blueberries, and just a slice of lemon. I still feel so dehydrated from being on that plane. I don't know what it is, but I'm craving so much fruit, so that's where we're at today. Good morning. So I just did my makeup and my hair. I decided to try orange lips today. This is the Pixie orange lipstick. I can't remember the name, but I'll link it down. I'm not sure how I feel about it though. I might like creep back into my comfort zone and like just change it back to neutral. This one piece of hair on the side like is just not having it today, so I'm gonna go Target and Michael's just to check out some stuff. I also need a new jeans because this one is just not fitting me anymore, and I need a new belt as well because like I feel like I don't know why I wasn't wearing belts for a really long time, but I want a belt. I really am missing my lashes, but I'm not that extra today. Like I'll wear my lashes tomorrow, but not today. I'm gonna edit a little bit before I leave to go out because I really want to get a video up for you guys, and if I don't do it, then tonight I'll be really tired, and then tomorrow is just out of the question because of that event, so we'll see. My first stop is of course Michael's. I wanted to get some of the Happy Planner half sheets, so I'm really excited about that. Of course I have to just stop in a planner place first because that is like my favorite thing in life. So looking at some of the mini half sheet planners, so really needing those, but I'm just not seeing it. I'm also really hungry. I want to go to like a buffet because that's just something I love doing. I wanted to get one of these because it will make like cutting things for planners so much easier.
Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed.
Came back from Target and now we're gonna go for food at a buffet because that's just my life. I come here to just eat so much.
The night I could have called you mine. If I change the way
Hello, so I wanted to share with you what I picked up in Ulta from Kylie Skincare line. If you know me, I am the biggest skincare freak in life. I love all things skincare. I love skincare more than makeup. That is just me, and that bird is outside there chirping till no return. So anyway, we're gonna do this still. I picked up 4 products because believe it or not, these products have been out for months now, but they're still being sold out so quickly. So the first thing that we have is the Kylie Skin foaming face wash, and it looks super cute. Everything is so pink and pretty, and you know that, I mean, that is like my favorite thing in life. Oh my god, how gorgeous. This is the Kylie Skin foaming face wash, like I told you guys. Super pretty. I just love the aesthetic and packaging of this. It is definitely right up my alley. It is just so gorgeous. Next up we have the face moisturizer. I didn't get the vanilla milk toner
or the walnut scrub because those were sold out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got my hands on these. They're so pretty. I love the shade of pink. Like everything about it is like perfection. Then we have the vitamin C serum. I am so excited to try this because I love vitamin C. I incorporate it every single day into my skincare routine. I think it's so vital for bright, glowy, dewy complexion and skin in general. Everything else is in like plastic bottles, but this one feels a little bit more like, I don't know. Oh, it's such a small bottle. Let me just show you guys the size difference between this and this. It's kind of small, I would say. Then the last product that I have is the eye cream, and again, this is something that I absolutely must have in life. Eye creams are so important because that's where you can tell a lot of aging, like underneath your eyes. So this is this pink little packaging here, and again, this is how small it looks compared to everything else. But I'm really excited to try it. I've heard so many good things about Kylie skincare line, and I mean, I used to buy her makeup, but I feel like if now I'm definitely switching over to skincare because that is just something that I love way more, and I would like definitely want to invest in a lot more than makeup. So I'm really excited to use those and see how it goes, and that was basically my little haul from today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you tried any of Kylie's skincare products because I'm so excited to try them out. I mean, oh my god, the reviews are just amazing, and I just love the Kardashian Jenner, so I had to support, and I'm just really excited, and I will definitely do a review and let you guys know what I think about it, what are my thoughts and everything like that. But definitely 10 out of 10 for that packaging because it's like so cute. I am ending this vlog right now. I hope that you enjoyed it. A lot more is gonna come your way very soon, so I can't wait for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.